worried that the wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the wheel spacers and the tightness of lug nuts are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are blamed on lug-centric wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle, without a snug fit. These wheel spacers are centered on the vehicle's hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these trip spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric wheel spacers will be the easy solution. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. The benefit of the Plus design of BONOSS lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. Hub-centric wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the centerboard of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any type of vibration issue. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bells fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminate any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since wheel spacers are components that contact other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.